Guys, welcome back to Toronto Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, we're here in Kew Bridge, nearby Kew Bridge. And yeah, without further ado, let's take off. Oh my god, all the birds literally just got spooked. When they see a drone, they get spooked, they think it's another bird or something. So it's a nice sunny day, we're just going to get a 360 photo in this area. There are drones in the sky right now, all the birds are flying that way, it's crazy. Then they all come back. Now my drone's up in the sky now, my drone's well up in the sky, there's no drone here. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to do a 360 degree photo, then we're just going to zip around. I think it was better, this area is better after all, so I've come all the way to a different area. There was restrictions. Another thing is that I usually use my DJI mic mini, but then usually I have it in my drone bag at all times, but since I got my camera, I've put it in my camera bag and I've left it in my camera bag thinking I had it in my drone bag. So I'm without my DJI mic mini today, so I'm just going to record it internally in my phone. Alright, 360 photos now complete. Just going to go back into video mode and we're going to just go out. We're just going to zip around, so let's go this way towards where these constructions are. So let's just explore this area down here. Amazing. We're in an area called Brentford now. I was near Kew Bridge before, but we're gonna go down that area anyway. We're gonna fly to that area. Cause it's literally just not even 5 minutes away from where I just was, because there's no flying zone there. There's another bridge here. Just gonna do an orbit. Wow, look at that view. Amazing. See, look, it's late September right now. Look at that view, amazing. See the central London skyline right up at the back. I haven't done a drone flight in such a long time because weather's just been terrible, but now I finally get good weather. So look at that. That is amazing. Do another orbit around. Look down there, that is amazing. We can go further west. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back now. Let's not go that far west. Let's just come back and we're going to go straight over to the other place. We're just going to go down the river basically. We're going to go down the Thames. The Thames is so much smaller here in West London than it is in East London or Central. So this area is around Kew Gardens, that area. We'll go towards that area as well. We'll just get an orbit shot of that. There's Kew Palace right there. Amazing, look at that view. So the other side of the river is Kew Gardens, Richmond, that area. And we're flying from the north side. Look at that view. We'll go back to the other area. Which is the other bridge. Alright, so that's where the
approached edge of authorization zone.
It starts in this area because there's actually a stadium nearby. So that's why I couldn't fly there in the first place. So I'm gonna try and go around. I'm gonna try and navigate around it. Maybe if we go a bit further south. we can avoid the authorization zone. Actually, we might have problems coming back, so we're not going to risk it. I just realised. I wish I can go there, but I don't want to. Let's say something happens, the drone disconnects. The drone might have trouble coming back. I don't want to risk that, so if everyone's going to stay in this area, then see, I wish I could. Maybe I can go to the other side of the authorization zone like next time. Come in this area next time. So we're close to the authorization zone anyway. Kind of. Can go a little bit further that way. Look at that. There's a nice area down there, which is actually Brentford area. What we can do, let's check out what's down here. So there's actually construction sites going on. We'll go a little bit lower. We'll go a bit down here. We'll do starting back now. We'll just get a low down shot of coming back as well. So the park I'm flying at is right here. It's got a lot of ships around here as well. So this is the big ship, which is where I'm nearby. Birds are going to get spooked if I come nearby here. Let's go towards it. Oh, the birds are getting spooked again. So hard to show you there. There's actually an airline right over here. Birds are going too close to me. I hope they don't be dropping. They're all lined up in this area. I might not go too close to them anymore. I might go higher. Or just go away from them. I'm just gonna go away now. I don't want it to get spooked again. Oh no, the authorization zone actually starts in this area. Alright, so what I will do is going towards the other bridge. We can just. So what I could do, instead of flying in this area, I just go a bit further down there and fly in that area. I think that's the better side of the Thames. Maybe I should have gone there, but we're here now, so let's go explore the side where Kew Gardens are. Kew Garden is.
Max altitude reached.
So look at that. Thing is, when I land the drone, they're gonna get spooked again. These pigeons. Look at that. See this glass building. Looks really nice, doesn't it? What we'll do, we'll go a bit this way. Get a static shot of this area. Look at that building down there. Obviously I can't go close down to it because what's going to happen is we're just going to lose signal. what we can do, we can go sideways, get a sideways shot of this area. So basically like Kew Gardens right now. And right here we got the Kew Palace. A 360 tour of this building. What I might do, I might like go a little bit further down to the park area. See, the only problem is when you, even though I checked that there was no fly zones in this area and I came here, still, because there was a stadium nearby, I couldn't fly here, which is a real problem. Let's go towards the road area. Get a tour of here. So I'm flying around there anyway. So we're nearby the altitude. There's really not much to see here because if I could have gone to the other side, I could have easily flown there, but because I can't, it'll be too long to take off and land again. So what I can do, I can go to the west side again, and this time get a close down shot of the area down there. We'll get a shot of the building down here. We'll go straight down. Look at that. We'll go get a shot of the road. And down, we'll go a little bit further down. Look at that nice shot. Then we'll go a little bit up. You know what I want to do? I want to go a little bit further down. I'm going to come back. We're not going to speak to birds again. I'm just going to come back enough where I've any consent that the drone's going to be nearby. We'll go down here, of the area down here. So the birds are getting spooked, even if I go close to it. Let's go get a nice stroll down here, down the Thames. Make sure we don't hit anything. Then we'll go up, get a nice shot going up. Look at that shot.
Maybe I need to do that more.
So I could have even flown from here, but no. It's a gated bridge, so I wouldn't be able to take off properly. A lot of planes are going from here to Heathrow, landing. Just gonna go straight down. Could even take off from that area. What we could do now is come back in sports mode. We won't go close to the birds. We don't want to spook it again. They're gonna be flying everywhere. I want to actually go get a low down shot. I'm not gonna go too close. I'm just gonna stay here. One thing we haven't got a shot of is this building all the way down there, but I don't think we're in view of that. Let me check. Nope, we're not. We can do, we just can get... It's just a good little flight in this area. I just wanted to go to the other side. Just that the altitude zone is stopping me. So let's get a track up. Let's track the bus going down there. The bus is right next to us, as you can see. Let's get a static shot while I'm gonna take my drone to the other side, the other side, because there's too many pigeons there. They're gonna simply get spooked. So I'm just gonna walk down. My helmet's really
Battery
hot from
level
the
is
sun
low.
beaming on it.
Aircraft
just
will
stay
return
here.
to the home point in 10 seconds.
What we'll do, we'll go a bit further down.
Low
What I'm gonna
battery.
do, I'm gonna
Return
land
to
drone
home
now.
promptly.
About 17%. See, so I'm gonna land it. They still got spooked, even though I did it here. Alright, so that was my drone flight here in Kew Bridge in London. Hope you enjoyed this little drone flight that I've done. It's been a while since I've done a drone flight. And yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.